Yes. Since solve the equation 2 cos theta is equal to -1 for 180 degrees, all right, is less or equal to, okay, let me just write this, let me explain. So what this one means is that our theta is greater than 180, but less than 360. Greater than 180, but less than 360. So what we have, when you're calculating this, there's what we call quadrants, okay? There's what we call quadrants. In the first quadrant, MCT, Rashimapalo. So in the first quadrant, we have all the trigonometric ratios to be positive. Okay? Then in the second quadrant, all right, sine is positive. Then in the third quadrant, tan is positive. Then in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Okay? So what is happening is, when finding this, we need to understand in which area our answer lies. In which quadrant is our answer. So after we do this, we now say 2 cos theta is equal to -1. Divide both sides by 2. So now we have cos theta is equal to -half. So now we are dealing with a negative. That means our angle is either in this quadrant or that. But now, since information here is saying that it's greater than 180, because from this point to that is 90 degrees angle. From this point to that is 180, making it a straight line. Okay? So, greater than 180, it is in this. Greater than 180, it is in this quadrant, up to this. Okay? So, from 180 to this, you have 270. From 270 to that, you have 360. But they are saying greater than 180 but less than 360. So it is in this quadrant, because if it is there, their cos is positive. But now what we are dealing with is in negative. So our answer should be between 180 and 270. That's our answer, our final answer. So this is just guiding us, okay? So what we're going to do now is introduce the multiplicative inverse on both sides, so that the cos and cos move, so we remain with theta is equal to 1 over cos, same as cos inverse of -half. So just to be safe, do this. You say go shift, then cos, open bracket, -1 over 2, close your bracket. If you place it, will give you an angle like that. We are getting 120. So theta is equal to 120 degrees. Where is 120 degrees? 120 degrees is in the first, in the second quadrant. But now we have been restricted. So what we are going to do now, we are going to subtract, okay, we are going to subtract 120 from 360. So now we are going to say 360 minus 120 is equal to, then what we are going to get, that's our answer. And make sure that answer is between 180 and 270. 180 and 270. So we're going to say 360 minus 120. We are getting 240. Yes. So it shouldn't be negative. Okay, we're getting, so now our theta is equal to 240 degrees. Okay? That's our angle. Okay, so imagine now if you don't have this information, you find 120, then you'll be like, yeah, I got it. That was a simple question. So this was guiding us. They're saying that theta is greater than 180. So theta can't be 120 because 120 is less than 180. So this on its own didn't allow us. Okay, so we have to subtract. Then we say, okay, then because that 120 is in this quadrant, but is it there? Of course, there cos is negative. That's why we have found it there. But now what we want is, according to this restriction, it is in the second quadrant, third quadrant, I mean.